Woo! Now we're getting to the good stuff, baby. We had our pig ear cracklings, our eyeball tacos, our pig snout with sweet taters. Now we're getting to the tongue. And with this tongue, we're doing some soup. But before we put it in the soup, you gotta get it out of the head. So when you flip this over, the way that my butcher cut up this pig head, the tongue was already sticking out. This right here is your tongue. So she's already pretty much out. I just gotta cut it off right at the end here. Just be careful, don't cut yourself. And that's it. That was easy. So our tongue looks like a tongue. Now tongue goes great in tacos. If you ever had beef tongue, that's great sliced thin and in tacos, but we already did tacos with our eyeballs, so I want to put it in a soup, switch it up a little bit. The first thing you're going to want to do is just slice up your tongue. And you can just slice it right down. It's beautiful, man. Good color. It smells awesome already. Woohoo! I'm excited for this one. We'll get it nice and thin. All right, we're looking good. I gotta try the tongue as is though, as it's sitting here. Wow. Just think of every part of this head that you're eating. It's pork, man. It tastes like pig. If you like tenderloins, if you like loins, like chops, like hams, it's just a little bit thicker and a little bit chewier, but it's got that good smoky element. We're gonna put it in this soup. It's gonna be great. I got some homemade rabbit broth, some parsley, some thyme, some good spices in there, some cut up celery, onions, and carrots, and that's it. Use beef or chicken broth. Not everyone's got rabbit broth laying around. I get it. Just get your tongue, throw in those slices. Mix it all nice, and man, you just have a beautiful pig tongue soup. And you already know this is gonna be good because we already tried our pig tongue, but get a good spoonful of those vegetables, some good broth, get a good piece of that tongue. That's good soup. That's comfort food right there. A hearty pig tongue soup. But that smoky pig tongue mixed in with the good broth. Again, this is a rabbit broth. Not everyone has rabbit broth. Get a good hearty beef broth. Make it homemade. It's gonna be a lot better. I could just eat this whole bowl right now. This pig tongue, so far, by far, the best part of this pig head. Those eyeball tacos are pretty close, but this pig tongue is unbelievable. So we've made a good dent in this head, the ears, the eyes, the snout, the tongue. We're going to the pig cheek. We took a little dive into the pig cheek in the original video when we smoked this head, but now we're really gonna pull it apart and make some good food with that cheek. So stay tuned for that video.